Hello and welcome to this technical tutorial on the Exam AI-900, Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals. This exam is designed to test your knowledge of machine learning and AI concepts, as well as your familiarity with related Microsoft Azure services. Whether you have a technical or non-technical background, this exam is tailored to assess your understanding of fundamental AI principles. Let's start with an overview of the exam. The AI-900 exam serves as an opportunity for candidates to showcase their knowledge in the realms of machine learning and artificial intelligence, particularly in the context of Microsoft Azure. While technical expertise is beneficial, this exam is open to individuals with both technical and non-technical backgrounds. Before we delve into the details, it's important to note that this exam does not require extensive data science or software engineering experience. However, having a basic understanding of cloud concepts and client-server applications will undoubtedly enhance your preparation and performance. The content of the AI-900 exam revolves around key AI concepts and the Azure services associated with them. As a candidate, you are expected to be well-versed in the self-paced or instructor-led learning material provided for Exam AI-900. This includes a comprehensive understanding of basic cloud concepts and client-server applications. The objectives of the AI-900 exam encompass a wide array of AI and machine learning principles. These include, but are not limited to: 1. Describing AI workloads and considerations. Understand the types of workloads that can benefit from AI solutions and the considerations for implementing these solutions. 2. Describing fundamental principles of machine learning on Azure. Grasp the fundamental concepts of machine learning, including types of machine learning and how Azure services support these principles. 3. Describing features of computer vision workloads on Azure. Explore computer vision concepts and understand how Azure services enable the development of computer vision applications. 4. Describing features of natural language processing workloads on Azure. Gain insights into natural language processing concepts and discover how Azure services facilitate the implementation of natural language processing workloads. 5. Describing features of conversational AI workloads on Azure. Understand the components of conversational AI and learn how Azure services can be utilized to build effective conversational AI solutions. Successfully passing the AI-900 exam not only validates your understanding of AI concepts, but also opens up additional opportunities. You can use this certification as a stepping stone for other Azure role-based certifications, such as Azure Data Scientist Associate or Azure AI Engineer Associate. Importantly, Azure AI Fundamentals is not a prerequisite for these certifications, making it accessible to a broad range of candidates. For those pursuing academic recognition, passing the AI-900 exam may make you eligible for ACE American Council on Education College credit. This recognition adds an extra layer of value to your certification and underscores the practical applicability of your AI knowledge. In conclusion, the Exam AI-900 Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals is an inclusive certification suitable for individuals with various backgrounds. Whether you're aiming for professional development or academic recognition, mastering the AI principles outlined in this exam will undoubtedly enhance your understanding of Microsoft Azure services and their applications in the world of artificial intelligence. Good luck with your preparation and exam.